Hello student, welcome to my class. Today you are going to learn analogies and spelling. This chapter is very essential for your Olympiad exam. First of all, you will learn what the analogies are, and after that we will learn about the spellings. Actually in the exam you will get different spellings for the same word, but sometimes you are misguided. You have to find out the right spellings and get the correct option. Beforehand, we are just trying out what the analogies are. So let's move forward. First of all, we will discuss about analogies. Beforehand, you have to know the analogies definition. Analogies means sometimes you will get some mismatch words that are not belonging to the same category. You have to find out which odd words are there not matching with the many words. Like in every option, you will get three options. The word will be the similar meaning, but one option will be of different meaning. That you have to find out and get your answers. So, I hope your concept is clear about analogies. That means odd item you have to sort out. Odd item you have to sort out for the analogies, and spelling, that means you have to choose the correct spelling. So let's move for answering. Here choose the word. A option you can see, in the A option you can see, choose the word which means differently from the following group of words. Like you can see some words are given here, like pal is there, comrade, buddy, rival, companion, and fellow. So, if you go for the dictionary or search in the dictionary, then you will get that one word is different from another group of words. Like comrade, that means companion, companion means fellow, and fellow means pal. So, buddy is also same group of the fellow. So, which word is not coming with the group? That is rival. This word you can get here in this option. Option C, and here you can choose your right option for your answering. Now, question number 2, examine, overlook, probe, explore, research, criticize. Here you will get four options. So, examine, overlook, prove, explore, research, and criticize. Here for question number 2, which option is not coming with the rest of the words? Like if you see this word overlook, that means not showing any interest or not paying any interest to anyone. But other words are paying interest to, like examine, prove, explore, research, and criticize. There is so much enthusiasm and interest is there, but here in the overlook word means negligence is working. So overlooked is a odd word that you have to take out. Next word is shine, glare, obscure, sparkle, glow, and beam. Then, dear student, you can get your answers: shine, glare, obscure, sparkle, glow, and beam. So, which option is not matching with the rest of word? Like here, glare, shine, sparkle, glow, and beam all are the same category words. But what is not coming with this obscure word? So obscure, that is not glaring or sparkling or shining. So here obscure means not shining. So this word is odd word from the rest of the words. Next question number 4, virtuous, disgraceful, vile, sinful, outrageous, and sinister. Here, virtuous, disgraceful, vile, sinful, outrageous, and sinister. So, all negative qualities are there with the many of the words. only one good word is there, that is virtuous. This is the positive word, so one positive word only is coming. With this all negative words like disgraceful, vile, sinful, outrageous and sinister, so then you have to take out this one. Whatever it is, whatever it is, positive comment or negative comment, if it is coming in the odd category, then you have to sort it out, and in this way you will do your answer. Next question, question number 5, you can see shake, shiver, shudder, still, quake and vibrate. This is very much easy. You know almost all S words like shake, shiver, shudder and still or are all are not same, because still that means not the movement, and others there is slight movement is there. Shudder there is movement, shiver there is movement, in the shake there is movement, and quake is also movement, vibration there is also movement, so not movement is still only, so take out the still. Next, famous, renowned, wicked, celebrated, eminent and pompous. Famous, renowned, wicked, celebrated, eminent and pompous. So this word is very bad word, that is not coming with the good words. Like famous means having fame, renowned means very popular, and celebrated is also like the same category, eminent is also same category, pompous is also gorgeous, that means good category, but wicked is the bad category word that is added with this, so you have to take it out and solve it out. So in this way you are solving the analogies, and you will definitely get good interest if you have some good stock of words. So dear students, practice it regularly so that your vocabulary should be strong, and these healthy tips will obviously help you to solve your answers. And the analogies you are getting some odd words that you have to take out. In the question number 7, you are getting like graceful, beautiful, elegant, classy, awkward and seemly. So which one is coming odd? Like C number. This is awkward situation, means very bad or odd situation. But if you take the graceful, beautiful, elegant, these are the positive qualities, positive situation, positive quality, seemingly also, but classy is also same category, but awkward means very bad situation, that is the answer for you. Next question, you can see regard, vile, fondness, respect, disdain, devotion. So here regard, value, fondness, respect, disdain, this word is not matching. All rest are positive qualities, but disdain is the negative quality, means hate somebody else. So you have to take out disdain. Accident, calamity, boon, casualty, mischance, mishap. So these words you have to tackle, and you have to sort out which word is odd one, that you have to solve, and you have very short or limited time to solve it. Like here the boon, bwn, boon means blessing, blessing of god and goddesses, that is a blessing. Boon means blessing here, but all the rest of the words are not the blessings. Any incident or situation, accident, calamity, casualty, mischance, mishap, all these are the situation or incident, but boon is the words, boon is the blessing, I told you. Here next word, next question I'm going, like appease, agitate, placate, allay, soothe, relieve. So Here 4 options you are getting, you have to choose which word is odd. Question number 10. Here agitate. Here agitate is the different. Agitate means excited, but all the rest of the word is not excited, like appease, placate, allay, soothe and relieve. All these are the normal situation, but here excited situation is the agitate. Now you can choose your right answer in this way. In the B category question, you have to solve out the right spelling for the same word, like competition. So you have learned about competition from your very small age, and you have to know the correct spelling of it and go for the correct spelling. See how your guess is. Like 11 number, competition, A number, COMPETITION, COMPETETION, COMPETITION, COMPETESION. So here you can see this option is correct, option C. COMPETITION, competition. Now exuberant. If you go for the 12 number, you can see only the first option is the correct spelling. Exuberant, EXUBERANT, exuberant. Because exuberant spelling is not coming with the exuberant or exuberant or exuberant is not. So B, C and D is not coming. Here some list of more options are given. You have to choose, like 13 number, enthusiastic. Enthusiastic, then you have to choose the right option, enthusiastic. Then which option is coming? Option C, ENTHUSI. Option C, you can see ENTHUSIASTIC. Enthusiastic. Question number 4, you can see fluorescent. Fluorescent, number 14, you can see fluorescent. Which option is coming? FLUORESCENT, like B option, fluorescent. Like question number 15, generosity. So which option is coming for question number 15? Generosity. First of all, genero, GENEROCITY, generosity. C option is coming. In this way, 16 number is also there. Hemorrhage, hemorrhage, hemorrhage and hemorrhage. Which option is correct? Like hemorrhage, if it is, then you have to choose the difficult word like HAEMORRHAGE. Next, we are moving towards maintenance. MAINTAINANCE, or which option is correct? A, B, C or D? In this way you have to choose. 17 number, like 17 number of choosing, this is the correct word, MAINTENANCE. Let's go to the achiever section. Choose the word which means differently from the following group of words. Here some also analogies are given, like question number 31, bizarre, odd, freakish, ordinary, eccentric and wired. So 31. So which option you are going to sort out? I'm going to sort out D option, ordinary. Ordinary means normal, and whatever given here, most of the word is not normal. Like bizarre is not normal, odd is not normal, freakish is not normal. but ordinary is normal, eccentric and weird is also odd situation. Hasty, abrupt, jerky, gradual, sudden, rapid. And here which option is coming? 32. Like gradual. Gradually means slowly. Choose the option which with the incorrect spelling. Choose the option with the incorrect spelling. Which one is incorrect? Like embargo, onslaught. Here you can see ONSLOUGHT, onslaught is given. After that, typo or azle given. Which word is incorrect spelling? This is you have to choose for the spelling. Question number 33. Here you can see B word is wrong. This word is wrong, onslaught. And question number 34, you can see symbolic, terrain, versatile, rapture is given. So which word is you are thinking wrong? 34, like C option, versatile. Here double is given, that's why it is incorrect. And 35, essential, fictitious, deteriorate and grouchy. So which word is wrong or incorrect? Here to sort out. 35 number, here deteriorate, this word is incorrect. Now I'm going to discuss about one word substitution. This is very interesting, but basically for this you have to learn, because you have to know the basic one word answers. Different one word substitution books are there from the different grammar book you can learn, or different objective English you can learn, or here slight chance is also there to get your study. Like choose the most appropriate one word substitution for the given description. Like persons living in the same time. So if you have the good vocabulary, that you can positively hit out the correct answer. Like contemporary, that word is matching with the same statement, like persons living at the same time. Like we are the both the friends, like Ram and Sam are the friends, they are of the same time, belonging of the same time. So same time means contemporaries, and here option B is coming. One who eats everything, here one word answer is omnivorous, that you have learned. Study of the influence of the stars or human affairs on human affairs. Is it astronomy, geology, astrology or biology? Study of influence of stars on human affairs. So it is not simply a study of stars, it is not simply a study of human affairs. So there is an influence of stars on human affairs, you have to keep in mind. So it is astrology. If it is simply a study of sky or stars, that time it would be astronomy. If the study is related to sky, it is astronomy. But if the study is related to seeing the or foretelling the future, or seeing the hands, seeing the influence of the stars on human affairs, that time it is astrology. Next, a short walk for a pleasure. Question number 4, you can see short walk for a pleasure. Pleasure means happy. For getting little bit happiness we are walking. That means it is strolling. STROLL, stroll. Like a gallop is galloping. a little bit break and go in this way. And jogging is different, little bit motion. And when you are walking for getting pleasure, that time it is stroll. Lagoon is the enclosed sea water, that is lagoon. A dramatic performance, a dramatic, is it mask, mascot, it is mask or musky? Which word is correct for this single word of the statement? Question number 5. Here you can get, it is masque, one who knows many language. So polyglot is the correct answer. By means two and poly means many. Narrator means explainer. Philosopher, those who related to philosophy. So polyglot means those who knows many language. The life history of a man written by someone else. So here you cannot say it autobiography. Autobiography means same person is writing the same his life history. But if my life history is written by another, that is biography only. A speech delivered without any preparation. So if you don't have any preparation, you have come to speak out something else. So what is it that you want to tell? Question number 8. Question number 8, it is C, extempore. Extempore. So extempore is a type of speech that people deliver without preparation. Matter written by hand, so you know very much it is manuscript. Matter written by hand, this is manuscript only. Option A government by one person, is it dictatorship, aristocracy, bureaucracy or democracy? Obviously it is dictatorship, like military dictatorship. It was existing in Pakistan previously, government run by the dictatorship. Like here, one word substitution and common idioms and proverbs is also given. So you have to consolidate your situation by reading some grammar books where some idioms and proverbs you will get. And sometimes it would be easy for you to match with these options if you have some stock of words like might is. Here you have to match with the rhythmic word. Might is number 11. Might is bright. So B option 11, you can see might is right. Eleven option C, is it bright? No, it is not bright, it is right. Might is right. So sometimes it is matching with the proper rhyming scheme, like might, T is there and right T is there, but here in the 4 options you are getting T. So any option is not available for this answer. So you have to choose the right answer for this. In this way you have to solve out all these analogies, correct spellings, one word substitutions. For the best tip for it is to solve by yourself, self study for couple of hours. It would help you, and practice the MCQ sets. In this way you can improve your reading skill and solving power. In my next class I also discuss about this same chapter 4 and next chapter also. So till then, goodbye to all of you.